Hello, students. So, this is the part third of the chapter, The Sound of Music. So, I am covering the first part here. The Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. So, let us start. She never looked back from that point onwards. That point onwards means when she starts to feel the music. Okay, when she overcome her challenge, she started sensing the sound through her different parts of the body. She from that very day she progressed in her career. She progressed in her life. She worked hard for that. She worked hard for that. Okay. She told me she traveled the United Kingdom with the youth. Youth means you can say the students of college or high school. She moved with the youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. So she went there in United Kingdom, UK, with the youth orchestra. Orchestra means a group that used to play the different kinds of instruments. Okay, and when she was 16 years old, she had decided to make the music her life. इसने सोच लिया था that I will, my aim in life, that is to learn the music, to feel the music. Okay, she auditioned. Audition means gave a short performance so that the director could decide whether she was good enough or not. Okay, सो एक तरह से एक शॉर्ट ऑडिशन उसने दिया कि जिससे जितने भी जजेस थे दे कैन डिसाइड दैट शी इज़ गुड एनफ और नॉट, शी कैन डू वेल और नॉट, फॉर द रॉयल अकेडमी ऑफ म्यूज़िक. एंड शी ऑडिशन फॉर किसके लिए उसने ऑडिशन दिया? फॉर द रॉयल अकेडमी ऑफ म्यूज़िक. लाइक इन द सेम वे तब भी आप स्कूल में आए होंगे, आपने एंट्रेंस दिया होगा, तो उस टाइम पर देखा जाता है दैट यू आर एबल टू सिट इन द क्लास in which you want to take admission or not. So in the same way she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, and the wonderful thing here is she scored one of the highest mark in the history of the academy. Okay, she gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. So you can see her confidence here that she gradually moved from orchestral work. So initially from the initial point we can say starting इसने कहाँ से की? Orchestral work से, means group performance इसने किया. And then she moved to a solo performances. Solo performances means from the group performance she started to give single performance. उसने देना start कर दिया stages पर. At the end of her 3-year course, means the 3-year course that she is pursuing from Royal Academy of Music. Okay, she had captured most of the top awards. By that time she get most of the top awards. Okay, and when she captured the most of the top awards, for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. It means that when she got the top awards, at that time she was we can say that she was not overconfident. वो overconfident नहीं हुई. Okay, if you work hard, and here Evelyn says to everyone, especially to the disabled person, that if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Means here we can say that Evelyn give the two main points to everyone, that is hard work means determination. Okay, you have to do hard work to get success in life, and the next thing, that is you should have aim in life, you should have target in life. If you have the aim, okay, and you are fixed to that aim, अगर आपके पास aim है, आपने सोचा हुआ है that I want to become this in life, and you are fixed to that target, then definitely you will get you will achieve your aim in life. Okay, your dream will come true. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousands instruments. So after the Royal Academy she get the thousands of instruments, means she get mastery. उसने mastery की थी some thousands of instruments में. And hectic international schedule, means she was too busy in her life. She has an hectic international schedule that most of the time she has to perform, give performance on stages. She has to go for conferences, we can say. Like she become a famous, a popular percussionist. Okay, it is intriguing to watch Alvin function so effortlessly without hearing. Intriguing means fascinating and curious. Means everyone was so curious that she hear without any effortlessly, without any efforts. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. In our here writer, the writer of this chapter, it means Debra is saying here that she never missed a word. Man with bushy beards give me trouble. So what Evelyn is saying to writer, that a man with the bushy beards means लंबी लंबी मूछों के साथ, लंबी लंबी दाढ़ी, we can say, sorry, मूछे नहीं, दाढ़ी, she that gives her trouble. Why that gives her trouble? Because she can't see the lip sync of the man. Okay, she laughed. After saying this, she laughed. It is difficult for her to talk with the man with the bushy beards because she can't see the lip sync of the man. And she can only understand through the lip sync that what the person is saying, as she can't hear. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. So what the Alvin is saying here, that it is not especially the lips through which only I can know the what the person is saying. She is saying that is the whole face. Whole face means by the expression of the person she can know that what the person is going to say, especially the expression of eyes. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. Scottish lilt means a way of speaking, means the way of speaking, the accent that in which she speaks, that is Scottish. Okay, in the starting of the chapter already I have told you that Evelyn belongs from Scottish. Okay, so she speaks in a Scottish accent. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says, but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn the French and master basic Japanese. Means what she is saying, that I can speak so flawlessly because when till she was 11 she learned some things. So that's why she is saying that my speech is clear. But that doesn't explain, but ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था यहाँ पे राइटर को या फिर सभी लोगों को, that how she managed to learn French. उसने फ्रेंच कैसे सीखी, उसने मास्टर बेसिक कैसे ये जापानीज लैंग्वेज किस तरह से सीखी. When she became totally deaf, she can't listen, she can't hear. At that time she has learned the French and Japanese. So from here we can conclude that she is she has determination to achieve success in our life, and that's why she used to manage so many things in her life. She learned different kinds of instruments. She has taken master degree in thousands of instruments, and she became a popular girl among all the disabled persons, among all the persons. Okay, that a girl that can't hear can play can play instruments in such a wonderful manner. So everyone was shocked. So thank you for watching this video. Next part I will cover in next video.